Well, hello there. My name is Patricia, and I'm going to be bringing this lettuce-scented marker to my grandma today. Are you ready? Let's go!
Come on in, sweetie pie.
Hi, Grandma. I brought you something.
What is it?
A lettuce-scented marker.
Oh my God!
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you, sweetie. So very much.
It's okay.
So what do you want to do today since you got me this special marker?
I would like to become a lumberjack.
Okay, well let's go!
Yeah.
Wait up on the back!
Come on, Grandma.
Go! Time to go home.
Okay, let's go, Grandma. That was fun, wasn't it, Grandma?
Yeah. Oh, fun, Patricia.
It's Patricia. What do you want to do next, Grandma? Grandma? Grandma! Grandma! Grandma!